Well, it's harvest log day 6, we're the 19th of July, and we're cutting DK Exalt Oilseed Rape, about 2/3 I suppose of the way up Bredon Hill, looking pretty much straight down over Cheltenham, just over the combine and to the right of the little hill that's poking out on the end there. We didn't get going until sort of late afternoon today. We didn't get the really heavy showers that the forecasters were talking about last night. We had probably only a mill this morning and then some little bits of drizzle. So we're on cutting again. The rape is about 10% moisture, which will work in very nicely with some of the drier crop that we have already cut that's in the shed. We won't finish oilseed rape just yet. We've got another 60-70 hectares or so to go after this, of which the bulk of that isn't actually ready yet. So we'll just have to see where we go next with harvest, and yeah, stay tuned to see what decisions those turn out to be. Things are ripening very, very rapidly as we look down across here. There's lots of wheat that is sort of a few days away yet, but definitely turning. And then just the other side of this little bit of maize here, down through that gap we've got some spring barley. That's for our Molson Coors group. That's Prepino variety down there. So really that could be sort of fortnight away, something like that. So we're going to have a bit of a few decisions to make in the next few days as to which direction we go with harvest. But stay tuned and find out to see how we get on.